Next is question number 8, part A. The cost of one apple is A cents. The cost of one pear is P cents. The total cost of 7 apples and 9 pears is 354 cents. Part first is write down an equation in terms of A and P. We have 7 apples and 1 apple cost A cents. 9 pears and 1 pear cost P cents, and total cost is 354. 7A plus 9P equals 354. Part 2. The cost of 1 pear is 2 cents more than the cost of 1 apple. Find the value of A and the value of P. 1 pear is 2 cents more than the cost of 1 apple. So 2 plus A. And let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to find value of A and P. Putting equation 2 in equation 1. 7A plus 9 into 2 plus A equals 354. 7A plus 18 plus 9A is 354. Then 7A plus 9A is 16A equals 354 minus 18. So A will be equal to 354 minus 18 over 16. 354 minus 18 over 16 is 21. Value of A is 21. Now using this value in equation 2, P will be equal to 2 plus 21, which is equal to 23. So P is equal to 23. A is 21, P is 23. Part B. Rowena walks 2 km at an average speed of x km per hour. Part first, write down an expression in terms of x for the time taken. Speed is equal to distance over time, and from this time will be equal to distance over speed. So time equals distance is 2 kilometers and speed is x kilometer per hour. So 2 over x. Part 2. Rowena then walks 3 km at an average speed of x minus 1 km per hour. The total time taken to walk the 5 km is 2 hours. Part A. Show that 2x square minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Let's say this is t prime. And this time is equal to Rowena then walks 3 km at an average speed of x minus 1. Now t plus t prime will be equal to 3 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x, and total time is 2 hours. Taking LCM of this side, x into x minus 1, 3x plus 2x minus 2. By cross multiplication, 2 into x square minus x equals 5x minus 2. This will be 2x square minus 2x minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Hence proved. Part B. Find the value of x. Show all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. By using quadratic formula, x will be equal to minus into minus 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 and its square root over 2 into 2 equals 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 square minus 4 times 2 is square root of 33 over 4. Now x is either 7 plus square root of 33 over 4 or 7 minus square root of 33 over 4. 7 plus square root of 33 over 4 is 3.19, correcting to 2 decimal places. From this, 7 minus square root of 33 over 4 is 0.31. Here the speed is x minus 1 kilometer per hour. We cannot use this value, we will use only this. So x is equal to 3.19.